The Master of Transformational Leadership being online, it's just allowed for a lot of flexibility. I don't have to travel to go to a class, so you can really join it from anywhere. Sometimes I travel with my job, so I can connect to it from a hotel room from another country if I need to. The faculty at Northeastern Seminary has been fantastic. My academic advisor has been very available to me, talking about what my goals are and how I can meet them through the courses that are available. Also my options about what it is that I can take and when, so that it fits into my schedule. One of the times when I was a little bit overburdened, we actually ended up dropping one of my classes, and I was able to shift that to another time frame so that I can still meet my schedule of when I actually graduate, but I was able to relieve the pressure at the time. There was a lot of things going on outside of school. The Transformational Leadership program that I'm in has been very challenging for me in a lot of different ways. It's challenged a lot of assumptions that I've had, and it really expanded my worldview, which I didn't even realize I had. The online experience has really been fantastic. Between the forum postings where you're interacting and responding to other students in the class, and also the Zoom meetings, you have so many different perspectives because you have people at different phases in their life, and you have also people that aren't pastors at all and don't intend to be. One of the students is actually a librarian, and she's applying these principles to her ministry as a librarian. And I intend to be a bi-vocational pastor, so this to me satisfies the secular component as well as the church component. And make no mistake, this is a challenging course. It's going to stretch you, and you have to put the time into it. The application of a lot of the things that I've learned in class are directly related to my involvement in my home church, and especially the last class, it seemed to line right up where we were talking about this in the sermon series that we're doing. So I was able to engage with that material in a way I wouldn't have been able to had I not had those classes, and it seems like all of these have lined up exactly what I needed when I needed them.